For material download, either click Material Download or alternatively, use the Estimating tab. In the Materials box, click on Download Materials button. The Material Download overlay will pop up and you can maximize this if you'd like. Once in, you have either public or private option. Public is when downloading from Bunnings or Home Depot. Private will be used if you have multiple regions in DeRisk. Fill out the rest of the options and the category list of materials will show up on the left. You can download entire categories or search for individual items. Here you can also edit the formula, which means you can add dollar or percentage amounts onto the items. Click Download once happy and exit the overlay. Any downloaded items go into the Unpublished Materials list. Start by clicking New/Edit Material. Any box with a red star needs to be filled out. You can also click Modify and it will light up the boxes. After that, press Modify Existing. The material then goes into Ready to Publish and you can publish.